Let us go through the question. So the following figure shows the stress strain curve for a given material. What are Young's modulus? Young's modulus is given as the ratio of stress to strain when the body is behaving elastically. For the given material, Y equals stress divided by strain, which is now the stress is we can see from the graph itself. It's 115 to 10 to the power 6, and the strain is 0.002. So eventually the value of the Young's modulus is coming out to be 7.5 into 10 square Newton per meter square. What are the approximate yield strength for this material? The yield strength is approximately 3 into 10 to the power 8 Newton per meter square for the given material. We can see above this value of strain, the body stops behaving elastically.